Hello, friends. This is Owen Fernandez once again from The Win is Within You. Today, I'm going to summarize on the topic of humility or being humble. Now, I must confess that this topic is very close to my heart because I believe most of us, that includes me, struggle here a bit at times. The dictionary definition of humility says the quality or condition of being humble, or in other words, having a modest opinion of one's own importance. We all admire humility as a great human quality, don't we? In fact, humility is an asset for self-improvement. A big part of humility is knowing our own limits, our own strengths and weaknesses, morally or otherwise. By living a humble life, you recognize the areas of your life that need work. According to the American Psychological Association, humility creates a sense of we-ness in relationships. Being humble means possessing a better capacity to form cooperative alliances, a crucial component in strengthening connections. Higher levels of humility have been associated with a higher sense of life purpose, better health, increased workplace harmony, longer lasting marriages, and greater generosity, all of which contribute to stronger communities. Pride, in fact, does just the opposite. Being humble is not belittling ourselves, nor is it about being self-critical. Instead, it is that quiet confidence that doesn't require bragging or boasting. So humility and confidence aren't mutually exclusive. You can be confident and humble at the same time, and I would encourage you to be so. Anyone who has learned to be humble has learned that no amount of learning will ever be enough. Now let's talk about false humility. Can it be acted and faked? Yes, of course, it can. The more you start thinking about how to be or appear more humble, the harder you make it for yourself to actually be humble, and that, my friends, can be noticed easily by others. So instead of focusing on the humility within you, you should pay more attention to celebrating the achievement of others. It is by acknowledging others and understanding the universal values we all share that you start becoming more humble. In a way, understanding the vastness of the world around us can make us realize our own value and the humility we should feel. Now let me share a few ways where you can learn to be humble. First, or number one, spend time listening to others. Most of the time we like to speak. Here I am requesting you to listen to others. Number two, value others instead of exalting yourself. Number three, practice mindfulness and focus on the present. Be available. Number four, don't hesitate to ask for help when you need it. Number five, accept setbacks. Humility allows you to accept challenges without the fear of failure and also helps you to move forward with the lessons learned. Number 6, seek feedback from others on a regular basis. Number 7, review and reflect on your actions against the language of pride. My friends, humility is one great, magnificent character trait that we all need to aim for. So, in closing, I request you to show humility. Be humble. Being humble doesn't mean to think less of yourself. It actually simply means to think of yourself less. People who are humble make others around them feel good and important. And of course, who wants to dispense someone who makes them feel important? Thanks for watching. Remember, the win is within you. We are here to help you be victorious. We believe in you and we believe you can. See you next time. Until then, stay safe, stay well. Bye for now.
Ooh, the